It's really for anybody who would like to have a more advanced way of thinking, communicating, and solving problems. We have specifically aimed it at what we call business analysts and product owners, because I believe that that class of people have very poor tools. They're stuck in what we call the management bullshit age, and they really don't have clear requirements or clear ways of doing anything. So we try to raise the level to extreme clarity of purpose and use that as a basis for decision making in design, architecture, project management, quality control. So it's in one sense, it's for anybody who wishes to raise their skills as a leader, manager, engineer, but also business analyst, product owner, that kind of thing. Oh, I should add, to be clear, it's not narrowed into IT. People can and do, even here on this class, use the method for things way outside of IT. We're currently working on the problem of increasing the knowledge in Poland. Okay, and that's our class project, just for the fun of it. So we can do anything, including very large national, international projects using the methods. But we can also build a startup with a simple IT system in Poland. I try to teach people ways of thinking that increase their power of solving difficult problems quickly. Dynamic prioritization is what our body does and even our countries do. They react to current situations and reprioritize. It is a form of agile or agility, okay? Static prioritization is like in balanced scorecard where you have fixed weights, and that's really a stupid idea because the priorities are really not fixed. They really change in time. So I try to teach more realistic ways of handling complex systems, and that includes dynamic reprioritization as you get more information. Only if they wish to thrive and survive in a very competitive international environment and to be some of the best in the world in making decisions and communicating and leading companies and solving technical problems. If they're quite happy just to be, a low-paid programmer or business analyst for the rest of their life, then they would be wasting their time to come. We have a great set of people. Let's say to just come here at all requires some money that some companies will give you, some time companies won't give you, and even if you had the money and time, like your own man as a consultant, you still have to give up your other activities. So there is a sacrifice to be here. That means the people who made that sacrifice are very clear about the idea that there is something great to gain and they better grab it while they can. Okay, so we actually have, in a sense, a selected group of exceptional people who can then will make use of these ideas. Okay, if it was just a company says 25 people just go on the course whether you like it or not, then we get a lot of unmotivated people who are sort of wasting their time and our time. So this is like a first-class university with tough selection criteria, but it means we get really good people in, so we can do really good things where they're at the right level as they walk in. They're mature enough, they're intelligent enough, and they're ready to go out and do something when they're hungry for better tools.
Thank you very much.
My pleasure, and by the way, Katowice is a wonderful, fun place to be in. I mean, we have so much fun when we're during the course, that's one thing. But after the course, we have the greatest food and music and museums. Only one problem is the silver mine, where I, as a very tall fellow, have to creep on 1.4 meters. So that was a little bit difficult. So I hope that the mining people of Katowice will manage to make the mine a little bit bigger.
Thanks a lot, Tom.